Oh hey, welcome to another edition of hand-laid tracks and 3D printed trains with super graphics. Today we're looking at a Shorty Beercan Tankcar. Always liked the Shorty beer cans, wanted to make my own. So I made one in two pieces. It has basically the micro train trucks go on the bottom, and it prints in two pieces. The top is the majority of it, and then the little tiny cross pieces that hold the micro train couplers go on the bottom. And you print them in two pieces and they kind of combine together. I decided to make a little stand to make it a little bit easier. So when you're trying to put it together, the car basically sits inside the stand, keeps it secure, that way you can push on it, because you have to push kind of hard to get the trucks to go in, and then push the trucks in, push the stands, the little crosses into it first, then push the trucks into it, and you get yourself Shorty Beer Can. Get it on Colts, ride it around, enjoy yourself some beer and some cans. Thanks for watching. Check it out again. Hand-laid tracks doesn't have a theme song, doesn't have a theme song, doesn't have a theme song. Hand-laid tracks, it still doesn't have a theme song, still doesn't. Hand-laid tracks doesn't have a theme song, doesn't have a theme song, should probably have a theme song. Why does that have a theme song? Still.